Hey, welcome back to the shop. This is just a quick update on one of the things that I'm installing in here that's a little unusual maybe for a wood shop, but that's a really hell of a sound system. Let me take you on just a little quick tour because I'm updating one of the woofers, and I can show you kind of what the inside of a Klipsch LaScalas industrial speaker looks like. So first off, this is the rack that my friend Harry Offit gave me, this metal rack. I made the wooden door, and it's magnets and plastic. And I have a fan in here that positively ventilates it to try and keep dust out of it as much as possible. I have a Pioneer receiver and a Sony Blu-ray player that I'm just using for a CD player right now. And in the back, there's a 32 band Alesis MEQ 230 equalizer, because the Klipsch are really kind of honky. One of them is under the blue down here, and there's the other woofer. You can see the speaker on top of it. And then the horns are sitting up here. And then the white wires here aren't power, those are actually the speaker lines. So, real quick look inside. This is a freshly reconed woofer. I had melted the speaker driver, melted the voice coil in it. It was pretty fragged. Beautifully rebuilt by Scavenger Sound in Glen, Burnie, Maryland. Look them up and give John a call if you've got a speaker that needs to be redone. And this is the inside of that. Now, let's look in the front. You can see that the front of this is a folded horn. The woofer actually drives into that hole and fills this cavity. And then there's actually a deflector back there. You can kind of see that is deflects back around. And in the back corners of these cabinets, it kind of folds around that way. Drives the sound very directionally out the front. So I'm getting this woofer reinstalled, and I'll have a full-up sound system. So screws that hold these in are kind of a pain because of the angle of the cabinet here. Like, I can't put a very long screwdriver in here, and they're flats. They're not like even Phillips or anything, so you got to get them lined up and tightened in here. I got that one tight. There are behind these on the other side, there are T-nuts in the wood behind this. I've had it apart before. In fact, this cabinet wasn't originally a split cabinet. This was originally, the squawker and the tweeter were on top of this, and now I have them split. So let me finish getting this last one tightened down here. So these connections are called 2-pin twist locks, and that's what originally came on the speakers. I took one of the 2-pin twist locks out of the upper cabinet has a crossover built into it, and so I took one of the 2-pin twist locks out of that and made that the subwoofer connection. And then what connects to the speaker now is just a 1/4 inch. So I moved these down here, so I actually drilled these holes in these cabinets. All right, let's verify this is working. Yeah, you're gonna hit play for me. Yeah, there we go. All right, I gotta put the lid back on that. All right, so there we go. Woofers. If I can get where's my camera? Here's my camera. That one. I just covered it in blue fabric, keep the sawdust out of it as much as possible. And that one's over. The other one's over here. And this is a Christian rock band called Shine Bright Baby. So I'm going to hit play for me. All right, so there we go. Woofers. If I can get where's my camera? Here's my camera. That one. I just covered it in blue fabric, keep the sawdust out of it as much as possible. And this is a Christian rock band called Shine Bright Baby. and it's a little difficult to describe just how loud these go. They're amazing, and it's only a quarter of the way up. It's amazing.